Hi everyone, my name is Rose, and this is be an update for what's this called? It's my own project. Oh no, I forgot the name. The Stardew Valley project pan. Totally. I'm having one of those days where you're like dropping everything. Everything's going wrong. I had tacos for lunch. I spilled shredded cheese all over the floor. And then when I was doing my makeup, I accidentally put too much primer on, and I poked my eye with my eye pencil. My eye was white so bad. I'm just having one of those days today, so hopefully it gets better. But yeah. So yeah, let me get my piece of paper so I know what I'm talking about. So I have 3 things being done, but let's talk about them, and I'll talk about them in order in my list. First, I finally finished this gloss! Yay! It took me longer than I thought it would, but I also scraped it. Look at that. It is completely empty. I also scraped the inside top of here too. So I scraped it a lot. It is empty. But yeah, I finished it. Yay! And that was for Willy. So Willy's done. He's rolling out this project for now. Maybe he'll come back around. But yeah. Next is for Penny. I'll show you where it was last time. And now it's here. I don't think it's moved much. I've used it 5, 6, 7 times. Which is getting a little hard to get my finger right in that divot. I'm having to dip more often, but I think I'm getting less product, so it may take longer than I thought it would to hit side pan. But as you can see, there's only a little bit of product, but it's take forever. I'm wearing it as my highlighter today. So yeah, I used it 7 times, pretty good amount. This next month I'm gonna really focus on my project pan stuff because I'm not doing anything until the 20th next month, so I can really focus in and be wear makeup. Do it. You can do it. You can believe in yourself. I'm gonna be cute today. I can do whatever I want. Okay, so there's that. Next, I knocked down something. Stay. Next is for Sebastian, which is this stilla shimmering glow in vivid sapphire, right? Yep. And I've only used it 2 times since the last update. I swear it was 3. Oh no, I only used it twice. And I was going to use it today, but then I was like, you know what? I'm rolling this out of this project. That kind of sounded like I just decided this, but I decided because the last 2 times I used it, which was only 2 times this month, it made my eyes water real bad. And I have watery eyes usually anyways, but and it made my eyes watered when I had this the last 2 times. I had blue tears streaming down my face, and I'm like, okay, I guess I can't use this anymore. So yeah. I mean, I only got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I only got 9 uses throughout this entire project on this, but it's whatever. It's what can you do about things? You just do all you can do, and that's what you do. But yeah, next thing I finished was I finished all the sheet masks. Like, I didn't keep the packaging because, like, I don't like drippy packaging, and I'm like, I'm not going to keep sheet mask packaging because it's, like, they'll be wet and drippy, and I don't really have a place I could put it to, like, keep it upright and not drip everywhere. So yeah, I finished the sheet mask, which was for Linus, one of my favorite characters. But yeah, I finished those. So there's that. So that's, I already talked about the 3 that I finished. So it's I'm gonna be putting 3 new products in. Yay! Finally. I feel like I'm supposed to be so slow with this project, but finally, yay! So last that was in the original 5 is for Clint, and it's basically the same rock it was at last time, but that's because I did something to it. At this in my beauty and Z, I had this dark teal polish that just wasn't, like, it was at near the end, and I was like adding thinner to it. And, like, it was one of those things that it wouldn't die. Like, I was using it so much, and it was, like, doing very low. It was, like, not dying, so I ended up pouring the rest of it in here. So now, I'm wearing this color today. So now it's not silver anymore. It's, like, a light aquamarine color. Whenever I say the name aquamarine, it makes me think of that mermaid movie with, like, Emma Roberts, that's her name. Emma Roberts and Jojo, right? She was in there. And some other girl that was in some Disney movies. The girl that was in, she was in Read and Weep, right? That girl. If you saw that movie. But yeah. So, but that's just called aquamarine, and it's about mermaid and stuff, and yeah. But it's literally, like, I just used it today. It was, like, just a little bit above before I used it today. So now it's, like, right at the line, probably. I don't know for sure, but it was, like, up there-ish, and I used it, like, 3 times, I think. 3, maybe 4 times to get it to where it's, like, mean line. So I think I can stop making good progress on this. I don't know if I can finish it by next update, because I am adding another polish into this project. I didn't want to, but, like, I couldn't think of another item to put in here, because I was between 2 items. One, like, I didn't want to put in because of another item I put in here, and then the other one was like, okay, I guess I'll put the polish in because it was better than the other thing I was thinking. So, but the other polish is not a finish. It's like a number of uses, so it's gonna be easier than this one. But yeah, so that's where I am, and this is the color change. I mean, it was like a true silver, so now it's like a blue, and I like it a lot more now too, with this being this, like, blue color. It's, like, so pretty. So yeah, there's those, and then I'll talk about the things I'm rolling in, the three items I'm rolling in. First, for Robin, I have a peach thing because she loves peaches, and it's this. It's shaped like a peach. Look how it looks. It's shaped like a peach. This is I got it from Dollar Tree, like, I don't even remember how long ago. Only like a year or maybe 2, I think. But it's starting to dry out already, I think. I feel like it's drying out a little bit, but it's a hand cream. It's a little peachy hand cream. That's, seriously, it smells like the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Like, it smells just like that. But I got this from Dollar Tree. They had, like, when I got this, they had peach, lemon, I think pear and apple. I got this at the lemon one. I used the lemon one up already. But yeah, so it's just, it doesn't have any branding or anything on it. It's just peach shape. It has one of these little lids, and it's a little hand cream. I'll probably take a picture to show you where it is. I mean, there isn't a lot of product in this, but it's like, I mostly want to use it up because it is, I think it is drying out. I'm not 100% sure. Come on, Peach. But this is just so cute. It's a little peach. It reminds me of the Tony Moly, like, little items that I really want. But yeah. So this is for Robin. Little peach hand cream. And then I have one thing for my boy Elliott. He's like super cute, live on the ocean. And I have this fragrance, which is called Sea Island Cotton, because he lives by the ocean. He lives by the ocean, so see. I'm not gonna make marks on this because I only want to use it 20 times, and that's my goal, 20 times. This used to be a favorite thing. It just smells like fresh linen. Like, if you love the smell of like linen or clean laundry, like that's what this smells like. So yeah, but I want to use it 20 times. This used to be a favorite of mine, but a lot of fragrances lately, like within the last like 6 months, I just found like a lot of fragrance. I used to never get fragrance headaches, and lately I have been. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm like messing up my diet or something. I don't know. But so I want to see if this gives me a headache too. And so hopefully 20 uses is enough to figure out if it's still a favorite and if it gives me a headache anymore. And if it does, and if it gives me a headache, then I might just get rid of it after I reach 20 uses. So yeah. Sea Island Cotton for our beach boy Elliott with the fancy hair. And then last but not least is the nail polish that I'm putting in. And this I want to use 10 times. It's for Shane. And this is a Justice nail polish. Justice went out of business, right? I don't know. I want to use it 10 times. So I'm hoping that 10 times gets it halfway, but I don't know. This is a very thick polish. And it used to be tie-dyed, but because it got so thick, I had to like mix it up. But I had already used the first color. It was like a neon green color, and then like a light pink, and then a hot pink. So like mostly I mixed the pinks together. But I want to use this 10 times. It's called All Mixed Up, and that's why I picked Shane. I feel like I'm picking on him, but I'm not, I swear. But he's just a little mixed up sometimes, and he needs some help. We all need some help sometimes. So that's why I picked it for him, because he's all mixed up. But I want to use this 10 times. It's just a light, like peachy, corally kind of color with lots of shimmer in it. It has so much like shimmer in it, like. But as you can see kind of how thick it is with how it's like looking on the brush. But yeah, 10 times. Hopefully that gets me like halfway with it, because I would love to. I dropped it. Oh no. Good thing I closed it all the way. I would love to get this finished off soon too. But 10 times would help me to get, if it does get halfway, help me to finish off eventually. Drinking some Mountain Baja Blast today. But where was I going? But that's all the items, all the new ones and all the old ones, and like, yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm actually gonna do a little outfit of the day because I feel cute today. I'm doing like some little kind of half pink tail things, and I have these little roses in my ears today. But yeah, I have this flannel on, this cool red flannel. I have this little, like, it's like a cropped floaty white shirt that kind of got dyed pink in the laundry. It's a little pink. I tried to bleach it, it didn't work, so it's kind of pink now, but whatever. And then I have this little overall dress. See? Well, overall dress. It has really big pockets. It has little like flowers on it. It's cute. It's kind of short. It's kind of really short, but I can make it work. It's cute. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I got this from Walmart. The other two items I thrifted, but I got this from Walmart a couple months ago. So if you can find it, you can find it, maybe. But yeah, it's from No Boundaries. No Boundaries, which is technically a Junior's brand, but they have so much cute stuff. But yeah, so bye. Before I talk your ears off and be all like blah blah blah. Bye.